What's going on, guys? Dylan here with another training video for our endless lead buyer system. All right, so what we're going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your VidIQ affiliate link and link it to our system. Now, if you don't know what VidIQ is a YouTube extension for Google Chrome, but it's more than that. It's got AI built into it. It's going to help you build your titles, your thumbnails, your descriptions, find your keywords, and make sure that when you upload a video to YouTube, you have the best chance at getting that video views. So if that doesn't work, that's where Sprizzy comes into play, which will be the next training. But let's jump over to my screen and let's get started with our VidIQ setup. All right, so before we get set up with the link, I just want to give you a brief rundown of what VidIQ does. So as you see here, we're on one of my videos. If we look at the overview, right, so you can see the overview of the channel, you can see my channel tags, you can see the video tags, and this is all from VidIQ. So it's going to show you your engagement over however many days, your views. As you can see here, our views are starting to climb, right? And it can show you all of the details and stats that you need. Now, if we were to edit this video, VidIQ would come in and show us what we need to do. So it would give us a rating on our video. It would tell you what you're missing. So I need some more keywords. Okay, it just updated, I was gonna say. So it's showing a 96 out of 100 video score. So you can get AI title recommendations if you want to change. It'll give you all sorts of different recommendations, and it'll even give you keywords if you want to update those into your description, and it'll help you create AI thumbnails. All right, so if we go over to the dashboard of VidIQ, you can go and see all of your videos for your channel. It'll give you optimizations. You can generate scores for those videos and see which ones are doing well and which ones aren't. So VidIQ has tons and tons of tools. You can create video ideas, right, from your topic of the day, right? It has all sorts of different AI awesome tools. We can go through and we can do keyword research. So if we just click on how to make money online, it's going to show us, okay, 1.4 million searches per month at 78 competition score. These are a couple other related keywords, matching keywords down here, and each one has a rating. So obviously, the higher the rating, the easier it's going to be for you to get rated on, okay? So if we go over here, we can see outlier videos. Now, these are going to be videos where a smaller channel made a lot of views where they don't normally get that many views. Okay, so if we see here, cheapest website traffic, right? This channel has 7,000 subscribers. It got 15,000 views, and it's up 100 times normal from what it normally would get. Okay, so it'll show you all of these if you're looking for, ideas on what to do, what video to make. This is where VidIQ can help you break through that barrier, which happens to me all the time. Normally it happens with me with design. When I'm setting up these systems, when I'm building graphics, I hit walls, and that's where these tools can come into play and make your life way, way easier. Okay, so you can have your personal coach as well. You can check out SEO. So if you want to check out the SEO on any of your videos, you can go through and check all of that. So that is the VidIQ breakdown. Now, how do we get our funnel linked up to VidIQ? So all you want to do is go over to your tab. You're going to go under the Affiliate Center. Make sure you're signed up for the Affiliate Center, which I did just before filming this video. And we're going to set up our link here. So it's VidIQ/six-figure systems is the affiliate link I set up. We're going to go over to our systemy.io account and inside of our endless lead building system. So we're going to go under setup, and we're going to have to change out 2 links. All right. So link number 1 is going to be up in our menu at the top here. Now this is only for desktop, but it's always nice to have. So we're going to make sure, so under Systemi, oh wait, no, not there, not there. That's our Systemi link. So under VidIQ, we're going to paste that link. We're going to open it into a new tab. And then we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom here where it says VidIQ AI YouTube. You're going to be watching the video right here. We're going to click this button and we're going to paste in our link. We're going to open it in a new window and we're going to be done. So we'll save changes and we're good to go. So that is it for setting up your VidIQ into the sales funnel. We can just go over and do a quick view to make sure that our links work. We'll click the one in the top, opens up a new window, and it takes us to our affiliate link perfectly. And we'll scroll down and we'll click this one. And again, it brings us to our VidIQ signup page. Okay, so now that link is set up. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the setup Sprizzy ads video where you guys are almost ready to have a 5 income stream lead generating sales funnel, 100% set up, 100% automated, where you have tons of traffic going in and tons of leads coming in and hopefully tons of commissions coming in. All right, guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next training.